Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking the fundamentals: input, environment, and feedback. First, make sure raw mouse input is enabled and note your sensitivity exactly. This prevents variable feel. Next, jump into a 64-tick offline server to test movement under match-like conditions and enable CL Shopos and NetGraph so you can see speed and yaw in real time. Once done, you'll have objective numbers to change. This removes guesswork and lets you measure improvement with each tweak. Once you have feedback, work the mechanics that win duels: counter-strafing, strafing arcs, and air control. You should practice short, deliberate counter-strafes to stop instantly. Tap the opposite key to cancel momentum, because this is how you land accurate shots after movement. Then do lateral strafing drills over a 3 to 5 meter span, aiming for clean 45-degree entries so your velocity stays optimal. Finally, train bunny hop timing and tiny mouse corrections in air to preserve yaw and maintain control. Now fuse practiced movement into rounds. Use jiggle peaks that end with a counterstrafe so your first shot is reliable. Move between covers by sprinting only when completely out of enemy sight and walk or shift when you need to hold precise angles. This balance reduces audible cues and preserves aim. If things slip, sudden inaccuracy, or strange acceleration, stop, reset your binds, ensure mouse accel is off, and remeasure sensitivity. These quick checks usually fix the most common regressions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.